This is the most important phase because your data is important to us. Because the security of your restaurant is important, we've designed a dedicated security space. We have some predefined settings, but here we have a two-factor authentication system. When you enable the two-factor authentication system, all your logged-in users will have to confirm their identity via a secret code that is sent to them by email. So it's important if you wish to check or not check this option. We leave the choice up to you. You can therefore check this section. An email will be sent to each user every time someone logs into their account to alert them of a new login. You can define the session duration. The session duration is the minimum time required to instantly log out a user after a certain period of inactivity on your platform. So here you have the number of attempts when a user tries to log in and enters the password several times incorrectly. After 5 attempts, their account is locked and they'll have to wait the number of minutes you configure before trying again. So we ask you to configure this if it works for you. Here, as I was saying, I think there's some confusion. Here, you will therefore be able to enable instant alerts for new logins. And most importantly, you have an IP address list here that you can restrict. This is a system that simply allows the restaurant or users who are physically at the restaurant or on a specific network to access this system. So when you start by adding these IP addresses here, you'll see that if your servers or employees are not in the restaurant, they won't be able to access the system. You, on the other hand, will be able to access it because you have a specific role. So this system is extremely important if you really want your employees to only have access to the system within the company. So you can add them. We also provide an assistance service to help you configure all these things. But in principle, it's not complicated and we're going to show you in another video, I think, because it still requires typing a command and we're going to spare you that detail. In any case, we remain available to provide you with the necessary resources to complete these configurations. Just leave us a message and you're all set. We'll be able to assist you more easily. So that's going to be all for the global configuration section of your CRM, or even better, your software to get you started using it. We'll see you in the next video and we'll talk soon.